Kwegita tiguoya na nikio thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru kworota tauni ya Mai Mahiu gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Naivasha ta kumwe gwa kuria kungituika gitumiro kia homa ya coronavirus ihinda riria rirahuthika guthurima matereba a ngaari cia thabari ndaya ni manyihitio kuma nduku ithatu nginyagia Mathaa 12.
Samples are taken from the drivers in Mai Mahiu and they are taken there at the laboratory, where we have reduced the turnaround time to about 12 hours within the 24 hours.
Tauni ya Mai Mahiu ni kurikanite makiria na wingi wa matereba marori na thutha wa gicukiro kieru kia mirigo gwa kuhaha namba ya andu ikoretwo ikiongerereka gwakia gwatuka undu uria ututhurite hahu gatagati ka aikari kuona ona thengia wa matereba gukorwo magithimwo maritagirira maumirira nduku ithatu. Maya mokete oriri fegia Stanby kinyitanire na kirafu kia Rotary mwena uyu iheanite matangi, thabuni na sanitizers kuri ceceni ino. Afitha wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi gicigo-ini giki akiuga labu ya Mai Mahiu riu iri na indo ciothe iria irabataranagia guthurima homa ino.
They have given us a attestation form which are being signed in Mai Mahiu and the drivers are accessing them freely. Therefore there is no delay. Every day we are picking samples, taking them to the lab there, and they are getting results in. Dagitari munene thibitari-ini wa Naivasha urio kwaragia hindi ya kwamukira matangi maya augite mutugo wa gwithamba moko mahinda kwa mahinda ni ucungiririe mirimu iria gwatanagio na giko icoke thi.
So all those things about intestinal worms, about typhoid, about all those other diseases that you get because of poor hand hygiene have all gone down.
Matangi maya matanyitwo kuguna muingi wa Mai Mahiu. Murugamiriri wa kirafu kia Rotary guku Naivasha akiuga ona ikiro cia utheru ni kwambabatira. Miario yake kinyitwo baru ni murugamiriri wa fegia Stanby ruhonge rwa Naivasha.
For us, we saw it fit to work with the MOH because there were people who are on the ground and they know really how to go about it.
Believe that the response to fighting the virus must therefore be undertaken as a collaborative effort by the abled partners in order to help those in need.
Ihinda-ini riu muingi ni uthiete na mbere na guthingatwo marumirire mikana iria gathikitwo. Gerifotera Kameme TV njitagwo Muringi wa Ngure.